Hello friends, welcome to Kavya's kitchen. Let us see what are we going to prepare with these all ingredients. Yes, it's everybody's favorite snack, bread pizza. So let us see how we are going to make it. So here I have mentioned all the ingredients we need to prepare the bread pizza. Please check out. Mostly all these ingredients are easily available. You can opt the veggies and sauces as per your availability. Here are all the ingredients, and now I am taking tomato ketchup and adding Szechuan chutney to this. You can take about 1 teaspoon of Szechuan chutney for 2 to 3 spoons of tomato ketchup. And now I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of oregano and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now I am going to give it a good mix so all the spices combine well. Now our pizza sauce is ready. Now take a bread slice and apply the sauce all over the bread on one side. This gives an amazing taste for the bread pizza. This is the main ingredient. And now I'm arranging the onion slices which I have already cut and kept it ready. So after arranging the onion, I am taking tomato slices and again arranging it over the bread. And now I am taking some bell peppers and again placing it over them. And now I am adding some sweet corn. I have used some frozen corn here. You can add all the veggies which you like it or as per your taste. And in this way I have completed the arrangement of veggies. Meanwhile, heat a pan to cook the pizza. So now it's time for the cheese, and I'm going to grate it over the bread, and you can use any type of cheese available to you. And now I'm going to add some oregano. Just sprinkle it all over the bread. And some chili flakes. Just sprinkle it. Now adding some butter to the pan. Just spread the butter all over the pan and place the bread slice. Close it with a lid and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. After 2 minutes, you can check it if it has turned crisp. But I didn't feel it crisp, so again I am going to cook it for about 1 more minute. And now it's ready. Our bread pizza is ready. And now cut the bread pizza in the shape you need it. Do serve the yummy and tasty bread pizza with ketchup. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.